Hey, what's up, Fit Soldiers? Let's talk about a pull-apart jack. You may have seen this done with a band before. Well, probably most commonly, we can take that into dumbbells too if you don't have bands. Grabbing hands, shoulder width apart. Okay, when we do this, make sure we're not coming back into slack here. Okay, band shoulder width apart. If you've got a continuous loop band, you can throw the slack behind you. If you've got handle bands, just wrap up that slack so it's not whacking you in the face. Okay, you've got a lower body jack. Okay, that can be modified to tapping in, tapping out while you do this jack. So here, pull apart, tap in. Okay, from the side, feet jumping in and out, trying to get these hands all the way wide, arms mostly straight, band tapping on your chest, making sure we're not shrugging. Okay, pulling these shoulders apart, shoulder blades together, chest apart. Okay, and there you go. If you've got dumbbells, a little different resistance because dumbbells want to drop straight down, bands resist you pulling apart. So a little bend in your elbows and pull them apart, pull them together. Okay, a little goes a long way. I want this quick and snappy and not heavy and slow. So don't overload that. Otherwise, that's your band pull apart jack. Get after it, have fun. We'll see you soon.